Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Thursday, February 6, 2020. It is 4:01:32 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today I'm going to be working on a new circuit. It's called Secret Project X. So let's get started here. As you can see, my temperature is at 350 degrees Celsius. And I soldered two pins on one of these. I did an excellent job. As you can see, I soldered a capacitor in there. Did a great job. As you can see, I soldered a resistor in there. Excellent soldering job. Here I soldered in a second resistor, 1 kilo ohm as well. Excellent soldering job. As you can see, I soldered in a blue LED light. Excellent job. Excellent soldering job, and washed it with alcohol. And I'm going to complete this circuit when I receive my ceramic disc capacitor in the mail, and also a couple of resistors I need. And I'll finish this board. And that concludes my circuit for today. I'm not quite done. As you can see, I'm soldering over a brake pan. I will be receiving a soldering mat in the mail on Friday, 2 days from now. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed watching, and have a great day.